So hello, here we will be talking about the SEBI's notification for Grade A, that is Assistant Manager. ठीक है. First of all, I hope your RBA Grade B exam went well. We will be covering questions for Phase 2 as well. So stay tuned, and we'll also talk about other exams. So we'll be talking about SEBI's notification in this. Recruitment of Officer, Grade A Assistant Manager 2025, General Stream, Legal Stream, Information Technology, Research Stream, Official Language Stream, Engineering Electrical Stream and Engineering Civil Stream. Now talking about this notification, this is a minor notification which came, and the main notification is expected to be live on 30th of October. So we'll be talking about that as well, and we will cover several things in this. The pattern, what is the syllabus, what are the sections and everything about the cutoff that we'll do when we'll be preparing for this exam. So we'll be completing the entire course as well on the same channel, as well as you can follow the Telegram for notes जो PDF वगैरह होंगी and links of the videos that will be available on the Telegram. Telegram channel is EDUAASTRA. Okay, so we'll quickly see this notification and we can start preparing. So very soon content will be uploaded for this exam. Now Securities and Exchange Board of India is a statutory body established by an act of Parliament to protect the interest of investors in securities, to promote development of and to regulate the securities market. SEBI invites applications from Indian citizens for the post of Grade A, जो हमने देखा किस किस स्ट्रीम के लिए वो हमने भी बात की, दैट इज़ योर IT, इंफॉर्मेशन टेक्नोलॉजी, लीगल स्ट्रीम, जनरल स्ट्रीम, इंजीनियरिंग, दैट इज़ योर सिविल एंड इलेक्ट्रिकल. कितना कितना वैकेंसीज आई हैं, क्या क्या क्वालिफिकेशंस हैं, वील सी दैट एज वेल. वन मोर थिंग, देर आर अदर notifications as well. For example, IBACIO exam took place a month back, and again one more IBACIO notification is live. Basically for engineers, if you have appeared in GATE for I guess past 3 years, then you can apply. We'll talk about that as well in the other video. Other more notifications are also there, for example Bank of Baroda and so on. We'll talk about that as well. These are the qualifications as well as the number of vacancies. So for general stream, master degree, postgraduate diploma, that is minimum 2-year duration in any discipline, bachelor's degree in law, bachelor's degree in engineering from recognized university. ठीक है, Institute of Chartered Accountant, Chartered Financial Analyst, Company Secretary, Cost Accountant. All of these can apply for general stream. What is the course for general stream? How many phases are there? Interviews there or not? We'll talk about that as well. Phase 1, phase 1 interview. 3 things are there. But the best thing is, in phase 1, you already know the cutoff in this exam. So 30% and 40% overall. 40% is what you have to score and you will sail through for phase 2. ठीक है, then we'll talk about this. Then legal is 20. You can read the mandatory जो भी qualifications हैं, that is your bachelor degree in law from a recognized university, and desirable experience is also given, 2-year post qualification experience as an advocate, including as an associate in an advocate or solicitor's office or law firm. ठीक है, for IT bachelor's degree in engineering, अब CS से ही होना चाहिए, IT से no, from any branch, और bachelor's degree in any discipline with a postgraduate qualification, minimum 2 years duration होना चाहिए उसका, in computer science, computer application, IT from a recognized university and institute. ये चीज़ BTech के लिए दिया है. The answer is no. This is given for post graduation वाले की चीज़ के लिए 2 years इनमें से होना चाहिए. If you have done engineering तो वो किसी भी ब्रांच से हो सकता है, civil, electrical, electronics, computer science, IT and so on. For research we have 4: master's degree, postgraduate diploma, minimum 2 years duration in economics, commerce, business administration and so on. You can have a look. Economics related, mathematical economics, business economics, agricultural economics, industrial economics, business analytics, and फिर masters या post graduate, that also you can see minimum 2 years duration वाला वो ऊपर भी था, and same is the case here, minimum 2 years duration, masters या post graduate अगर diploma है तो. In statistics, mathematical statistics, statistics and informatics, applied statistics and informatics, data science, AI, machine learning, big data analytics, or master's degree in mathematics and 1 year post graduate diploma in statistics or related subject from a recognized university. ठीक है, let's move ahead. This is the official notification from SEBI only. Then this is for official language, master's degree in Hindi, Hindi translation with English as a subject at bachelor's degree level, या फिर master's degree in Sanskrit, English, economics, commerce with Hindi as a subject at bachelor's degree level, or master's degree in both English and Hindi, Hindi translation from a recognized university institute. For engineering electrical, obviously your bachelor's degree in electrical engineering from a recognized university. For civil, again bachelor's degree, but not for all the disciplines, only for civil engineering. ठीक है, reservation is there obviously for OBC, non-creamy, EWS, SC, ST. Age limit is not exceeded the age of 30 years on September 30th 2025. ठीक है, तो notification, the main notification will be live on 30th. This is expected date October, but इसमें एज वाला क्राइटेरिया September 30th 2025 लिया गया, which is a good thing for a lot of candidates. Candidate must have been born किसके बीच में, October 1st 1995. रिलैक्सेशन इन एज कितना कितना है, स्टैंडर्ड वही सेम रहता है, जनरली 3 years 5 years. We'll see that. Then the selected candidate shall be recruited as an officer, undergo probation of 2 years. Here you can see the pay and benefits, that is the salary, presently the gross emolument including SEBI's contribution towards NPS, grade allowance, special allowance, DA, family allowance, local and so on. At Mumbai, at the minimum of this scale is approx 184. ठीक है, which is a very good thing and you can easily clear this. So without accommodation is 1,84,000 and with accommodation it's 143 per month. ठीक है, you can see और जो भी चीज़ें दी गई हैं, very good opportunity. Then little bit details about accommodation and boosting, exam centers, that we will be able to clearly see once the main notification comes. Fees is same 1,000. Application fee come intimation charges plus 18% GST for unreserved OBC and EWS category, 100 charges plus 18% GST for SC, ST and people with disability. Then about training and so on. Now about the pattern of this exam. So this is the pattern. So as I said, first there will be phase 1 and phase 1 is screening, which is your preliminary exam. Phase 2 is mains and interview. Now what is the meaning of screening? Screening is a test which you have to clear if you want to sit in this phase 2. That is very obvious, but one more thing is your marks from here will not be taken for the final merit. So this is just a screening stage. You have to clear it by scoring some already decided minimum जो भी कट ऑफ है वो. क्या क्या चीज़ें आएंगी, तो इन phase 1 there are going to be 2 papers. phase 1 में pattern is going to be MCQ. Now same thing, general awareness, English language, quants, reasoning. ठीक है, तो 4 section, general awareness, English language, quantitative aptitude and reasoning. We'll cover all this. Duration is 60 minutes, marks is 100 and you are already aware that you have to score 30% if you want to clear. So cumulative you have to score 30. And you will sail through, which is noted out of. One more perk is 1/4 is the negative marking. In a lot of exams this is 1/3, that is 0.33. if 1 mark is awarded for your correct answer, then 0.33 for your wrong answer, and here 1/4. if 1 is awarded for the right, then only 0.25 will be deducted for your wrong. पेपर 2 will be stream specific. तो जो भी हमने देखा अभी streams हैं, that is your general stream, commerce, finance, management, ये सब चीज़ें रहेंगी इसमें. अगर जनरल स्ट्रीम है, बाकी आईटी है तो उसका अलग रहेगा. एंड क्वेश्चंस आर वेरी इजी. वील टेक आईटी का एज वेल, जो भी चीज़ें हैं C++, C वगैरह वाली, DBMS या सॉफ्टवेयर प्रोडक्ट मैनेजमेंट, SQL, वील टेक ऑल ऑफ दैट एज वेल फॉर दिस very briefly. The duration for this is 40 minutes. For paper 1 it was 60 minutes. For this is 40 minutes. Marks again is 100. In this qualifying is 40 for this paper. And aggregate is, जो मैंने पहले बताया, aggregate is you have to score 40% overall in phase 1. ठीक है, this is 40%. For phase 2 mains 2 papers, 1 descriptive English and 1 objective या फिर stream specific. For example, if your stream is IT, then coding will be there, coding question will be there, and you have to make that particular program in whichever language you want to. For example, 2-3 languages are given, C, C++, Java, so you have to make your program, you have to run it, compile it in that particular language. Could be related to linked list or trees or some pattern and so on, where you can use your loops and जो भी चीज़ें हैं we'll take that as well. For paper 1 phase 2 you will get 60 minutes, marks 100, no taking negative, you get descriptive obviously. phase 2 paper 2 90 minutes, marks 100, फिर जो भी आपका stream है उसके हिसाब से. Then you'll be having your interview if you clear the phase 2, and that's it. For now some expected dates, शॉर्ट नोटिफिकेशन जो मैंने बात की विच वॉज लाइव ऑन 8th of October. देन जो डिटेल्ड नोटिफिकेशन है उसका एक्सपेक्टेड है 30th of October 2025, एंड रजिस्ट्रेशन भी उस दिन से स्टार्ट होगा 30th of October 2025 मोस्ट प्रोबेबली. एंड वंस दिस इज लाइव यू विल बी इन्फॉर्म्ड अबाउट एग्जाम डेट एज वेल कि कब होगा phase 1 phase 2 एंड सो ऑन. इफ़ यू टेक इनटू कंसिडरेशन द प्रीवियस ईयर्स जो भी पैटर्न रहा तो जनरली 1.5 मंथ का रहता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल 2022 अर्ली जैन में नोटिफिकेशन केम 2022 में, एंड phase 1 was on 20th of Feb, phase 2 20th of March 2022. 23 में लीगल स्ट्रीम का दे रखा है 22nd of June 2023, एंड 1st अगस्त से 2023 में phase 1, and phase 2 in September. Then 2024 June 24, and 27th of July was the phase 1, and 31st of August was your phase 2. So you can see 1.5 month का difference, and then 1 month for phase 2. Although we'll be having the exact dates once the main notification is live, we'll talk about that as well. We'll prepare for that as well, and we'll be talking about the other exams as well. So all the best for whichever exam you are preparing. So you can prepare from whichever source you are preparing, but we'll be covering few topics by analyzing the previous year जो भी pattern रहा, so you can use those deductions as well so that you can easily clear the cutoff. So that's it. Thank you and stay tuned.